empaka zetabirwa mu amashomero nka Katatumba Academy, St. Aloysius, Ngara Primary School, Nyamiyaga Primary School, St. Lawrence, St. Boniface, St. Helens hamwe na Bright Future.
I wish you God's choicest blessing, and I pray that as you journey back to your respective schools, always remember that when you put God first, everything will follow in line.
So members who were there and who have not participated, I encourage you that next time they try to choose, be the ones to put your arms first, because you have witnessed it. From different schools, you have witnessed how it has gone, and next time you will be physically fit to stand before others and give in your views.
Levis Oriahebwa omuseminari yebembiremu okutebekanisa empaka ezinagira ngu biine ekiteekateeko ekyokugumiza mu empaka mpaka aha rurengo rwa Archdiocese.
Yes, each one of them will be awarded with a gold medal.
I urge you to continue this initiative, do debates, because the debates, they are going to prepare you for the future. As the theme of today states, that preparing for the future. We are preparing you for the future.
All of you who have participated in this are winners, and we pray that what you are practicing now may be visible in future.
Okurugiriraho abakugombya obwegyese okahajana ningashi debates mugumuha miringo y'orukwera beji okukora kurungi hamwe n'okurugamu abebembezi ba nyensya aha bwa TV West ndi era akiza.